The area that became Unity was part of the homeland of the Penobscot and other Wabanaki peoples for thousands of years. European settlement began slowly after the American Revolution. The town was first organized as part of Hancock County in 1784 under the name 25 Mile Pond Plantation, then incorporated as the town of Unity on June 22, 1804, named likely for the unity of the settlers in petitioning for town status. 19th century growth and agriculture, 1800s. Throughout the 1800s, Unity developed as a typical rural Maine farming community. Settlers cleared land for mixed agriculture, dairy, potatoes, apples, and grains. Small mills sprang up along streams like Sandy Stream and Half Moon Stream. The arrival of the Belfast and Moosehead Lake Railroad in 1870 connected Unity to larger markets, boosting the local economy and making it a minor shipping point for farm goods and lumber. The Unity Racetrack era, late 19th, early 20th century. From the 1890s to around 1915, Unity was nationally known for its half-mile horse racing track, one of the finest in New England at the time. The Unity Driving Park hosted major trotting and pacing races that drew large crowds and famous horses. Grandstands, a hotel, and gambling made it a lively regional destination until interest declined after World War I and the track eventually closed. The Maine Organic Farmers and Gardeners Association, MOFGA, and the Common Ground Country Fair, 1971, present. In 1971, Unity became the permanent home of MOFGA, the oldest and one of the largest organic farming organizations in the U.S. The first Common Ground Country Fair was held in 1977 and has grown into one of Maine's signature annual events. Held every September on MOFGA's 300-plus acre grounds in Unity, it attracts 50,000 to 60,000 visitors and has firmly established the town as a center of sustainable agriculture and counterculture in Maine. Modern Unity, late 20th to 21st century. Today Unity, population is almost equal to 2,000 to 2,200, remains a quiet rural town but with a distinctive identity tied to organic farming, environmentalism, and education. It is home to Unity Environmental University, formerly Unity College, the first U.S. institution to divest from fossil fuels, 2012, and a leader in sustainability-focused higher education. The town balances its agricultural roots with a growing reputation as America's environmental college, town and a destination for back-to-the-land lifestyles.